Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech with another live trading example from this week. This is EWZ on the 3-minute time frame. We're in the Kata Challenge Workshop in our Applied Systems Development course right now, and right now we are practicing the Kata2 pattern. So as you'll see on this chart, I was taking only the Kata2 patterns. Right here we had the open, price came up and then sold off harshly. We had what looked like a type 3 where we had this shallow pullback without the PSAR flip, still showing a short side bias, so I entered here. When it broke through here, that was a quick 1-hour stop out. Now if I was trading the SSC, that would have been right here, right? I could have got an entry right there for that one, but we're just focusing on Kata 2s. So price came up, had this pullback, and then when it came back and resumed its trend, we got in when it crossed the RL10 high here and then got out at the PSAR for a fractional gain. Now here's a Kata 2 short, as we had this high up here and then this lower high. So we were able to get in here on a Kata 2 pullback, playing for the move down here on the steep pullback. Price went nicely in our favor and then turned. So we got out at the PSAR for almost 1R. Now this next one was in a Kata 2 long. You'll notice with the Kata 2s you have to be a little more nimble because they go in both directions. You can see there was this low that had been created from that first sell-off of the day, and then there was this higher low here, right, since the last PSAR flip. So that was an entry right here, Kata 2 long, with another kind of type 2 playing for the move to here. That failed immediately, so we got a small loss on that one, and then what we had was basically a stop and reverse, because then we had this high right here and then this lower high. So that was a Kata 2 short. Could have scratched it here, but we were just following the workshop rules, so we got out here. Went long because now what we have is we can look not just at necessarily this last PSAR flip, but the penultimate over here, and see that intraday we still have, zooming out, this as a substantial low, and then this low right here that's higher. So we entered there on the PSAR, got a move in our favor, failed right where we wouldn't be surprised if it failed. So basically a scratch on that one. Again, using the penultimate PSAR flip, we have this one and this one. So we have this high that it made intraday here. This is making a lower high. It didn't get quite as high. So that's, again, a trend following Kata 2 entry here at the PSAR flip. And what's interesting to me about this is that we had right here, this long, that's a loss. This short, that's a loss. Went long here, that was a small loss as well. So that's 3 losses in a row. That's often when the will starts to dissipate, right? We talk about time, will, pattern, money. After 3 losses, it's hard to find someone who doesn't get a little discouraged by that. But if we just keep taking the patterns and trust that our edge will work out, that 4th one we take here, it's not going to work. Oh, yeah, it is. +3. That one just went really well. This is also a type 3 entry here. If we missed this one for whatever reason, got out at the PSAR flip in the normal way and ended up positive with 1.6R for the day, just practicing the Kata 2 patterns. So if you want more information about that and about these patterns, the system, the Kata Challenge system that we teach, go to ablewaytech.com. Thanks for watching.